In this video, I'm going to show you how to use different wallpaper for lock screen and home screen on iPhone. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, on your iPhone, just on the top, just swipe down, then press and hold on lock screen, and it's open all of your already set wallpaper here. But on this you need to just swipe left, then tap on plus icon, and here's open all the default wallpaper here, and swipe up and it show you and more suggested wallpaper, or you can add your profile photos from gallery like that. Then for example, this photo I'm setting for lock screen, then tap on add and add to, and it's showing lock screen and home screen both. So if you want to use same photo for lock screen and home screen, just tap on set as wallpaper pair. So we are going to use different photo for lock screen and home screen, so tap on customize home screen. So here showing the home screen, and you can use color as a home screen, or you can gradient use, or you can use another photo for home screen. So then tap on done and tap on done again, and this wallpaper set. And if I unlock this phone, as you can see, just change it to another photo just like that, as you can see. So that way you can use different wallpaper for lock screen and home screen on iPhone. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.